My name is Louie Rosario Gorospe. I'm presently residing here in Milan for the past 15 years. At ito po, aking karyan. Ang aking bisyo, ang aking hilig, ang aking passion. Bikes. Makikita nyo naman po siguro, it's an honor na gagawin ko tong video na to kasi para lang simple it's a simple introduction to the passion that I have together with my sabihin nating best friend in the Philippines na with the same passion as me, with the name of Nico Dela Rama. I know this guy for the past 30 years, I think 30 years or more. He's one a crazy addict when it comes to bikes. We have planned last year to make this, let's say, to create a group or a Facebook page with this the Dagupan Retro Classic Road Bike, which will feature Italian vintage bikes. At the same time, those who are passionate with the bikes can just follow the page, and we will be updating some bikes and history of the vintage bikes. And beside me is what we call oro. Oro means gold, and this is our first bike. When Nico and I plan to create this page in this Dagupan Retro Classic Road Bikes, nagkaroon kaagad ako ng parang barn find dito, barn find doon na kasi wala kasi talaga akong person na yung tie up na talagang kaparehas ko ng hilig, which is way back kasi ako, sabihin natin lumaki ako sa two wheels. I grown up with bikes. I'm an avid fan of cyclists. I raced in the amateur race during my young days, and luckily I'm here in Milan, and where you can find the best bikes in the world. So yun. At ang aking first road bike noon is Gorospe. So same name, Gorospe, but different lang ang itong frame niya kasi ito is made from alloy, pure alloy. So ito yung ano namin na ito yung passion na sinunod ko hanggang ngayon. I'm growing old, but bike is a part of my life. So hinihingi ko lang po sana is to support the group, the Dagupan Retro Classic Road Bikes. All the bike enthusiasts in the world. Hope this will give some encouragement to you. I know most people love the carbon bikes, the new ones, but for me, I think I'll just stick with this old ones, the vintage one, the Eroica we call it. And as you can see, I have some I don't know, this is all my bikes. I have a Colnago, I have a Legnano, I have an Olmo, I have a Moser, and even not on road bikes, even strange bikes like BMX1. I have a Bianchi BMX. I have a Raleigh, like a Condorino, they call it, city bikes. I have a V-Cross. I have a Kangaroo bike, which you can use it as like a kangaroo. This is the simple the collection that I have. I have a Bottega, which I use every day, and I have a mountain bike also. Mountain bike, but the latest one, carbon. But I have a Colnago mountain bike, and I have the what you call the Jewish mountain bike, which is used as a advertisement bike of the 20 years ago by a Jewish the group Jewish we call it Giro d'Italia group team. This is not made possible with my friend Nico Dela Rama in the Philippines. So on this Dagupan Retro Classic Road Bike, we established this year 2020, and it will go, I don't know how long, but still, if the passion exists, this place full of bikes will be full again later. More bikes to come. We're enjoying it. It's not on the cost, it's not on the price, but it's on the passion and the beauty in the eyes of the beholder of a bike like this, like the vintage one. I guess you just follow our page. Please it. Thank you, and Nico, this is it. We can make it. We can make it. Just the two of us, but we can make it. Thank you.